Every tree that goes through the bandsaw is different, and it's always interesting and exciting to see the grain revealed for the first time.
Easy. Surprisingly easy. Okay.
This beech log is likely to be even more interesting than most because of the way beech begins to break down. Various funguses invade the timber and work their way right through to the middle, drawing lines and patterns and changing colours as they go. Each fungus struggles for territory with its neighbours, and clearly marked boundaries are drawn up between the colonies.
Okay, and then
Any cross-section of the log reveals a unique map of the various territories, and you never know what you're going to get till you open the log. And we weren't disappointed. Lots of lovely spalting in there, along with some hard, untouched timber. The hardest part of this job was figuring out how to saw it. It was an odd-shaped log. I decided it might be too soft for breadboards and other thin shapes like that, so I went for coffee table thickness and the widest boards possible. It's always tricky to time it correctly. This tree has been lying around for a couple of years, which is probably about right for this sized tree. Any longer, you might just find soft rot inside. I sharpened the blade for this job, but really it cut through very nicely. And now there are 3 boards in the drying tunnel. Unfortunately, they don't belong to me, but Mike and Rosie, the owners, surely won't need all those coffee tables, so they might sell you one if you were interested.
have a look inside.
They are nice, aren't they? Lovely. Yes, chocolate biscuits and a cup of coffee round that would be very nice, wouldn't they?